Hi, this is Michael Harris, and welcome to today's episode. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're doing well and ready for some insights that could truly help your business. Today, they're talking about how to bounce back quickly after disaster strikes your property. Have you ever wondered what the smartest steps are when your business faces unexpected fire, water, or storm damage? The truth is, time is money, especially when disaster disrupts your operations. That's why Incore Restoration Group in Warren, ME, specializes in fast, reliable disaster repair. From water extraction to fire cleanup, they handle emergencies with precision and care. Their team combines technical expertise with compassion, knowing your business needs stability. They work directly with insurance companies, easing your stress and speeding up recovery. When every minute counts, trust Incore to restore your property and peace of mind. Reach out today, call 8666-850-0009 or visit www.incorerestorationgroup.com.